Being in lockdown has not been easy for most of us. So I'd like to share the 10 ways to be productive during the lockdown. Let's get moving. Did you know that listening to motivational speakers encourages you to be productive? I recommend you guys to listen to Brother Bo's full tanks. You'll not just get motivated, you also feed your spiritual self. Yes, a lack of exercise is often the cause of the body pain. Get ready, turn up your music, and do at-home workout. And bear in mind to drink more water and get at least 15 minutes of sunlight every day and try to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep. I believe reading books can improve your memory, your vocabulary, and your English. Also, it lowers your stress level. You guys, this is a must-read book. In the past few years, I learned some Thai alphabets, words, and writings. I've been watching anime these days and I got so interested in learning Japanese. To spare some cash, why not go to your closet and look for the items you hardly use and sell them online. I sell mine in CAROUSELL. Super easy. You got it right. Try this time to learn a new skill such as painting, cooking, sewing, or any skills that you are interested in on how to make an easy fitted face mask. Don't forget to click the link in the description box. Enhance your skills. I'm an art huge fan and I love to paint. This is your best shot to enhance your art skills. Also, I practice my calligraphy because, practice makes perfect. But nobody's perfect, so why practice? Lol, I'm kidding. If you are a student, believe me or not, we do have a lot of formulas or things to memorize on. And so, what about using some of your time to study and memorize? Play your favorite game. Yes, have fun too. I prefer playing Sims 4 because I like to build homes and it's fun that I can manipulate the characters. It may not be so productive thing to do for some of you, but for me it's kind of helped me to play on my ideas in planning architectural design. Treat yourself. It is very important to take care of your mental health, especially during this crisis. Do it by putting on a mask, get a massage from your siblings, have tea or coffee, listen to a great playlist, and detox your social media. Unfriend your toxic friends. You can still love them, but from a distance. Our churches are closed, but Christ is not quarantined. I've been using this time to be more closer to Him. I'm praying for healings and miracles. I read more, journal more, and sing praises to Him. Because in the midst of this chaos, His will be our hope for the silent enemy. Thanks for watching. I hope you got some ideas and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And last, if you are praying about it, keep in mind that God is working on it.